What's up, guys? We're gonna Brobeatztv, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make some smooth trap beats. So we can hop right into it. We don't really need a scale or anything because I'm gonna make this extremely easy. So we're gonna be starting with this sound, just a bare bones sound here. So we just want to throw down some smooth chords. Preferably we can just use 7th chords. So if you want to use stamps for this, you can, but I like to do it from scratch just so you know any new people will know how to do it. So all we're gonna do is just make us a major or minor. Now I want something a little darker, a little creepier, smooth, so I'm gonna make a minor. So basically what you would do, just go up 3 in place. Okay, so you just make your regular little chord. And then a little trick that you can do is you can actually reset to the middle note, and then you can go down 1 if you have a minor, okay? And then you can pull this note up. And now you have a real nice chord you can use. So I'm gonna just copy this over. And then we can go down about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that'll be nice. Oops. Okay, I think that's good for us. I might add effects to this, but I kind of wanted this video to be more bare bones. So I think we can leave it at that, and we can go ahead and add our counters. Next up, we have these ambient bells. All right, so just gonna go ahead and throw these in. Now you can make a complex melody if you want, but I think with this, I kind of want it to just sound like that, but I just want to add more depth to it. So I'm gonna just kind of mess around with some of these notes. Kind of like this one is a little bit more creepy. So I think since we didn't do much, we can just use our lead here. I'm gonna try to follow the same thing with the lead. Maybe we can use this note now. Okay, that's kind of what I was going for. So I think what we can do now is probably start the drums, and if I need to, I'll add effects, but I don't think I really want to right now. So let's go ahead and add the 808. Now let's go ahead and take care of the 808. Okay, so we could just kind of place this here. I'm gonna just kind of do a bare bones pattern first. Maybe we can okay, I think that's pretty smooth. So I think what we can do now is just finish off with our drums. Lastly, we just got to add our drums. So this should be pretty easy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add these and play it. Turn this up. Let's add like a little nice hi-hat in there. I think I like this one, but I'm gonna do this same pattern, but I'm gonna kind of copy this. Okay, there we go. So we got the timing right. So I'm gonna take this and just do a more complete pattern like this, and then just let that repeat over and over. add some of these other elements too. And let's go in here to the graph editor, and I'm gonna just kind of mess around with this a bit. And we could pan it just a little bit like so. Let's see what that sounds like. And then I guess we could try to add like a kick, but I don't know. I kind of like it smooth like this without it, because it seems like more of a freestyle type of beat, right? Rather than just, actually, no, never mind. I kind of like the kick in there now. I'm gonna turn this up, and then we can just see what it sounds like. Turn that down a bit, and maybe we can adjust. All right, I like that. I think it's pretty smooth. Wasn't anticipating the kick, but I mean, it sounded pretty good. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.